Hi guys, this is me JC Alcantara and welcome to my YouTube channel, Sincere Trading. So for today's video, just want to talk about dollar cost averaging. What is dollar cost averaging, how to use it, and why it is important to use the dollar cost averaging. So here, andito tayo ngayon sa tradingview.com. This is the platform I use. So sa example natin, nandito tayo sa QQQ, which is the tech sector. Ito yung grupo ng mga companies such as Apple, Tesla, Neo, Space, AMD, Intel, and so on. So as you can see, we are on the daily time frame. Okay, so here, kung mapapansin nyo, we are on a massive downtrend. So we're just gonna go plot our resistance here. So we are on the downtrend from February 16 until now, until I think March 08. So we already bounced on this area. We broke the resistance, we retest the resistance and consolidate. So let's say we have $1,000 to invest. So we have $1,000 to invest. I-divide lang natin siya into parts. So we will divide it by 4, which is 250. So paano nga ba natin gagawin? So like for example, in this scenario, in this area, we don't know kung nag-bounce na ba siya or it will go deeper. So we will invest 250 here, okay? And it go up until it touched this resistance, but it didn't, at bumaba pa siya ng bumaba until this area. So nag-bounce siya, kaya mag-invest pa tayo ng another 250 here. And nag-plot tayo ng resistance, it go up and it touched the resistance, and eventually lumagpas siya sa resistance. So it consolidates in this area. So hopefully it will go uptrend and makapag-invest pa tayo na another 250 or somewhere around here. So average price somewhere here instead of buying all this $1,000 in this area. So mas maganda talaga mag dollar cost averaging kasi hindi natin alam kung ano talaga mangyayari sa market. So hopefully that this video helped you guys, and see you for the next video. Thank you.